We are out here at the airport. We have a beautiful sunrise this morning and we're getting ready to go over to Stuart as soon as we hear about the airport being open. They still got it closed this morning, so we're waiting to see what's going to happen with that, and then hopefully we'll be over at Stuart shortly. We have opened up the airport over here. We're going to be trying to get in there. We've got about an hour to get in, and then they're closing it again.
Okeechobee traffic, Sierra is 7 miles southeast. We'll be entering crosswind for runway 5, Okeechobee.
They already got the food.
Okeechobee traffic, you have Saratoga. We're about 3 miles to the east of the airport.
That's the 8387 Gulf turning downwind 5, Okeechobee.
And Okeechobee traffic, Twin Beach is departing runway 5 behind the touch and go.
Okeechobee traffic, Sirius is final, runway 5, Okeechobee.
We'll wait on you, sir.
Thank you.
Green clear.
Autopilot disengaged.
Autopilot's disengaged.
You did the flaps. What about trim?
Trim's good.
Mixture.
Mixture's good.
Carburetor heat.
Beautiful 18.
Thank you.
Fuel selectors.
Fuel selectors are on main.
FLT instruments.
Everything's good.
Okay.
And Okeechobee traffic, Twin Beach is departing runway 5, Okeechobee.
Sorry, we tried to make that first turn off. We were going too fast.
Oh, you're okay.
Okeechobee traffic, Cessna 5197 kilo, left crosswind, runway 5.
All right, tail wheels locked.
Okeechobee traffic, 87 Gulf turning base leg, runway 5.
All right, here we go.
Okeechobee Sierra is clear, runway 5, Okeechobee.
RPM's good off 30, going on to 36.
Okeechobee traffic, Cessna 5.
Oil and fuel are good.
Left downwind, runway 5.
Want to start flying? There she goes. Gears up. 120.
Okeechobee traffic, Cessna 8387 Gulf turning final for 5, touch and go.
What?
And Okeechobee traffic, Twin Beach is departing the pattern to the east. Okeechobee. Bird just flew by.
Twin Beach is going.
Over to Stuart.
When can I take over?
Do it. Want to keep her climbing. We're just gonna go up to about 1,000 foot. So.
Okay.
All right. So we are cleared. All in on the left downwind. To 30. Right now we're tracking directly to the airport. We're about 10 miles out.
Cooler than the DC-3 flying next to?
What?
The
B-17, yeah. That would be pretty awesome. Well, I think he's right there in front of us. And the Beach-18 is left downwind for Stuart, and we've got the traffic in front of us.
Beach 289, runway 30, clear to land, number 2.
Number 2, clear to land, 289.
Saturday.
Yes, sir. That's an awesome sight out there, ain't it?
I can't see it.
A big old airplane.
Take over for a second.
All right. See him right over here.
Whoa. I got it.
All right. All right, so we're on 130. Fuel pumps are on, trim set, lights are on. We'll get the gear in just a minute. We're fixing to fly through a little bit of rain. Temps are good, fuel pressures are good, oil pressures are good.
Don't you put your flaps down when you're landing?
Yeah, but we're not ready yet.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get our gear now. So I'm going to have to push up a little bit of power because we don't really want to start coming down yet.
Wind 340 at 4.
Alright, and so now we're going to pull up just a tad. We're going to get us some flaps. Notch of flaps. Still got the B-17. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and start our turn. Mixtures are full. Fuel pumps are on. Gears down. Green light. 120 on the speed.
Oh, that's a beautiful airplane.
Yep, it's pretty cool, ain't it? Go ahead and get another notch of flaps.
Take over now?
Yep. Alright.
Going 03 Golf, turn left when able. Did you make Alpha 2 there? Yep. Okay, turn left Alpha 2 and left on Alpha. Contact ground 121.7. Okay, Alpha 2 over to ground 0.7. Thanks for your help.
Alright, props are full. Mixture's full, gears down, fuel pumps are on. There's the wreck right there at the end of the runway. Good grief.
Whew. Thing is obliterated. I see a DC-4. Daddy? I see a DC-4.
Look how he's flying.
Tower number 525, Hotel X-rays, 8 miles out along the shoreline southbound for the visual runway 30. Twin Beach 289, go ahead and turn left there, Charlie, behind the Boeing 717. They want you to all the way down to the approach end to get up runway 34. So join Alpha behind the Boeing 717 and contact ground 0.7.
Alright, thank you for your help.
Citation 5 Hotel Alpha 1, Ops 1.
And ground, Twin Beach 289 is on Charlie.
Twin Beach 289, Roger, followed B-17 down Alpha.
Follow B-17.
Pure ground, main is 2.
Main is 2 ground.
Holding short at 30 at Alpha, I'd like to cross.
So we got out here to Stuart and we got stuck on the main line where they run all the airplanes. So we're now getting moved up to where they're going to keep us, and Jacob's getting a free ride with the tug. So it's been a pretty day. It's kind of hot, but overall it is pretty awesome.